Some of the things that I like best about this thermal optic are some of the things that it comes with in the package. So let's take a look at the rail first off. So you're going to be able to have this in here for whatever your eye relief wants to be. This is a forward mounted optic, and the mounts itself are in the rear here. So you can mount it anywhere you'd like on there. What's neat is this is quick release. So once it's all ready to go, you just push these two buttons. Those open those locks. And now these spring-loaded locks release from the rail. This indexer, put that in, close these, and it's locked back on. So I really like this quick release lock-on rail system that it comes with. Another feature I really like is this heavy-duty pouch. So even if it's on the rail, you can put it into this pouch, which is padded and very durable. You've got dual zippers. You got that little tiny pouch on top if you want to put some batteries or a lens cleaner, the microfiber cloth in there. Got pouches on the side, pockets on the side, places to connect other equipment up front, a little Velcro panel. And of course you can carry this on the panel or with carry straps. Really neat accessories that come with this thermal optic that I really appreciate. Hope this helps. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out.